The Electrolux Ultimate700 Cordless Vacuum delivers strong, consistent suction that handles everything from fine dust to stubborn pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. Its 3 dedicated cleaning heads, including a motorized brush and pet tool, make it easy to switch between floor types and upholstery without feeling limited by accessories. A high-capacity battery supports extended cleaning sessions, and the automatic power adjustment mode helps stretch runtime by only boosting suction when the surface actually needs it. The vacuum is impressively light for a full home machine, and the swiveling head plus low-profile design allow it to slide under furniture where bulkier models struggle. A removable handheld unit and a generous set of clip-on tools turn the vacuum into a flexible spot cleaner for stairs, car interiors, and tight corners. The multi-stage filtration system captures very fine particles and directs cleaner air back into the room, which is a noticeable benefit for allergy-sensitive households.